Here we are starting chapter number 3, pair of linear equation in two variables. Now what are two variables? Two variables, in previous class 9th we have studied about linear equation in one variable. First of all, what is linear equation? Linear equation is said to be that equation in which the highest degree or highest power of the equation is 1. And one variable or two variable means involvement of one variable means only x variable or only y variable, and in two variables involvement of both two variables, which is x and y variable. Now to now in this uh, the numbers number allotted according to the questions are 1 mark question will be asked two times, yeah, 1 mark question and 1 4 mark question. So the total weightage of this chapter is 6 marks. So accordingly, this is the important chapter. We will understand it thoroughly. Now question number 1, choose the correct option. First we will come across the MCQ, in which the first part is choose the correct option. First is the which is the linear equation two variable. Here the four equations are given, four options are given. Linear equation in two variables is, as I have tell you earlier, the equations which has highest degree or highest power is 1, and which have two variables which are x and y. So clearly the option is D is correct, because it has 1 power 5x plus 6y, and x and y both variables are involved. Now in second part, if a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. Now these are the system of linear equation two variable. Here a1 a2 a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equals to 0, and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0 are two equations, and they have some set of solutions, which are, they have two solutions, which is one value of x and one value of y, which is common in both the equations. Now in this case, if a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2, then the solution is said to be unique. If a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2 is not equal to c1 upon c2, then solution is said to be no solution. And if a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2 is equals to c1 upon c2, which is also the case of parallel lines, in this case the solution is infinitely many solution. So question number 2, question number 3, question number 4 are based on this explanation, and you can tick accordingly. Now we will jump to question number 5, the condition for unique solution. This is also which I have explained earlier, based on that only, which is the condition unique, इन विच मतलब दो इक्वेशंस दे रखी है आपको, उसमें यूनिक सॉल्यूशन की कौन सी कंडीशन हो, तो यूनिक सॉल्यूशन की एक ही कंडीशन होती है, वेयर a1 upon a2 इज नॉट इक्वल टू b1 upon b2. मूविंग ऑन टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच इज 6th, द कंडीशन ऑफ नो सॉल्यूशन ऑफ द इक्वेशन इज व्हाट. नो सॉल्यूशन की जो कंडीशन होगी वो होगी आपकी 6th, which is a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is not equal to c1 upon c2, which I have explained earlier. And 7th also, the condition for infinitely many solution, which is also the case of parallel lines, in which a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2, in which the ratios of all constant is same, which also represent parallel lines, and which also represent infinitely many solution. So we will jump now to fill in the blanks. In equation 2x plus 3y is equals to 5, if x is equals to 1, then we have to find the value of y. Do nothing, put the value of x is equals to 1 in the equation 2x plus 3y is equals to 5 and solve accordingly. You will get the value of y as 1. Now second, if an equation ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a, b and c are real numbers and a, b are not 0, then this equation for x and y is known as linear equation. Simple, because here the highest degree is 1, and x and y are two variables, so this makes this equation is as linear equation. Now if equation 2x plus y, now in equations 2x plus y is equals to k, if x is equal to 2 and y is equals to 1, then value of k. In these also we will put the value of x is equals to 2 and y is equals to 1 in equation 2x plus y plus k, and find the value of k accordingly. Now we will jump to question number 3, and True or false? There are many solutions in linear equation of two variables. Yeah, true. And the condition for many solutions are a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2 is equals to c1 upon c2. Each solution of a linear pair, now in second part, each solution of a linear pair is represented in a point which exists in that line. Yes, this is also true. A point on any line represent the solution of that line or that equation, which is also true. Means that point which lies on the line represent the solution of that line or that equation. So this makes this statement true. Now question number 4 we have to answer in one word. Write the standard form of linear equation to variable. I told you this and explained you this earlier also. The general form of any linear equation to variable is ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. Now, what will be the value of m in y is equals to mx plus 3 if x is equals to 2 minus 2 and y is equals to 5? This question is same as the third part of fill in the blanks. So you have to do nothing but the put value of x is equals to minus 2 and y is equals to 5 in equation y is equals to mx plus c and find the value of m. As simple as that. Now question number 5, solve the pair. We have to solve the pair of linear equation in two variable. Now solving the linear equation into variable, we have three methods. First is substitution method, second one is elimination method, and third one is cross multiplication method. You have studied in your class all of three of this method. According to that we will solve all this question. So in this part the substitution method is given. Here given equation is x plus 3y is equals to 6 and 2x plus minus 2x minus 3y is equals to 12. So what we will do, we will find the value of x from equation 1. We will take x as a subject, or on one side of equal we will take only the x variable, and other side of the equal we will take the values of y and constant. So according to that we will find the value of x as x is equals to 6 minus 3y. Now we will put this value of x in second equation and find the value of y. By doing this we will getting value of y is equal to 0, and now putting this y value y equal to 0 in first equation, we will get the value of x is equal to 6. By following this procedure we will get value of x and value of y. In substitution method we are doing nothing but uh, we are substituting value of x in another equation and making that second equation whole into the one variable that is of either x or either y. Now question number 6 is also the same method, or it is of elimination method. In elimination method we are given, it is a sort of a different method. We'll understand that, we'll go through that. In this we have given two equations, x minus 2y is equal to 0 and 3x plus 4y is equals to 20. Now what we have to do is we have to make um, x into we have to make we have to make one coefficient of one variable equal to the coefficient of other variable. Now in here we can see in first equation x minus 2y is equal to 0, and in second equation 3x plus 4y is equals to 20. The coefficient of x in first equation is 1 and coefficient of x in second equation is 3. So we have to make coefficient of first equation equal to 3. For that what we will do is we will multiply the first equation whole by 3 numeral and make it new equation. So by multiplying 3 in one equation we will get 3x minus 6y is equals to 0. Now we have two equations, 3x minus 2y equal to 0 and 3x plus 4y is equals to 20. Now we will subtract these two equations. The term of x will be get cancelled. We will get the y term as 10y is equals to 20, and according to that we will get the value of y as 2, and by putting this value of y in first equation we will get the value of x. So this is known as elimination reaction. Now we will jump into word problems. Now the basic thing about word problem is you have to convert the language English into the mathematical expression. So this is a tricky part. You have to go through to the word problematic question. You have to read it for at least one or two for good amount of time, read it thoroughly, read it clearly, and then form a mathematical expression. Now here the question number 7 is that, which says that the difference between two numbers is 26 and one number is 3 times the other. Find them. Here the difference between two numbers is given. Let's say two numbers are x and y. X minus y is equals to 26. This is your first equation, and the one number is 3 times the other. So according to this, the second equation will comes up as x is equals to 3y. Now you have got two equations. You can solve these two equations either by elimination method or substitution method. See, this is the solution of question number 7. Here the first equation is x minus y is equals to 26, and second equation is x equals to 33y. Now you can solve this this two pair of equations by both the methods which we have understood earlier, that is elimination or substitution. The choice is yours. You apply those two methods or one method from those two methods, you will get the answers. Now we will move to question number 8. We have given question number 8. We have to solve it by elimination. Simple funda is applied, elimination method. We will here two equations are given. 7x minus 15y is equals to 2 and x plus 2y is equals to 3. Now what we will do, we will multiply second equation by 7 so as to make the coefficient of first equation, that is 7x, equal to coefficient of x from second equation. So we will multiply second equation from 7. Now the two equations will be 7x minus 15y is equals to 2 and 7x plus 14y is equals to 21. By subtracting both the equations, we will get the value of y, and putting that y value in one of those equations, we will get the value of x. Now question number 9 is same as the question number 8. Question number 9 is same as the question number 8. You can I have explained it earlier. You can see, or you can explain yourself thoroughly in by पीछे जाके आप आराम से उसको समझ सकते हो. नाउ वी विल कम टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. Monthly income of two persons are in the ratios 9:7 and their expenditure are in the ratio 4:3. Each person monthly saving is rupees 2000 and find their monthly income. So let's say फर्स्ट दो पर्सन की जो मंथली इनकम है, लेट्स से वो है 9x एंड 7x. उनके एक्सपेंडिचर है 4y एंड 3y. अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट हमारे पास अब जो फर्स्ट पर्सन की जो इनकम है, जो वो जितना कमा रहा है वो 9x है, वो खर्च कर रहा है 4x, उसके बाद बच रहा है 2000. तो फर्स्ट इक्वेशन बन जाएगी फॉर फर्स्ट पर्सन विल बी 9x माइनस 4y इज इक्वल टू 2000. और सेकेंड पर्सन जो कमा रहा है उसका जो नंबर है वो 7x है, और जो खर्च कर रहा है एक्सपेंडिचर में कर रहा है वो है 3y. सो इन दोनों का जो माइनस हम करेंगे वो भी 2000. सो वी हैव गॉट टू इक्वेशंस हियर. फॉर फर्स्ट पर्सन द इक्वेशन विल बी 9x minus 4y is equal to 2000, and for second person the equation will be 7x minus 3y is equal to 2000. Now these two equations you can solve again it by elimination or substitution method. I have explained it earlier. You will get the x and y, and you will find the expenditure and the earning income of both the person accordingly. Now we will come to question number 11. Which of the following pair of linear equations has unique solution, no solution, or infinitely many solution? In case there is a unique solution, find it by cross multiplication method. Now we have given two equations. We have to check the nature of the solution. For that we have to find the ratios, that is a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2, and c1 upon c2. Here the a1 upon a2 will be 2 by 3, b1 upon b2 will be 1 by 2, and c1 upon c2 will be minus 5 by minus 8, which is clearly in which a1 upon a2 is directly not equal to b1 upon b2. So this means that this equations has unique solutions, and for that we will come to third method, which is cross multiplication solution, which you have already studied um, in your chapters. I will elaborate a further it also here, which is like that, which goes like that. So in cross multiplication solution, what we will do is we will uh, write x on denominator, under numerator under x we will write cross multiplying, which is 2 3 1 2 and 5 8. Now we will go from left to right and cross multiply all the things. We will write as 2 3, then we will write common we will write column in we will write coefficient and constant term in the column and rows form. It goes like that: 2 3, coefficient of x-axis, then coefficient of y-axis are 1 2, then constant terms are minus 5 minus 8. Now what we will do, we will go from left to right and cross multiply all these elements. We will first write x, and under x we will write 2 into 1. Now we will write we will left the coefficient of x, we will left the column of x and cross multiply the column of y and constant term, which is 1 into minus 8 and 5 into minus 2. And same we will do with y. Now we will equate this with the ratio of y. We will write y in numerator, and under y in denominator we will write we will exclude, or we will left out the column of y and choose the column of x and column of constant term, which is 2 and 3 and minus 5 and 8. So the thing goes like that: 2 into 8 minus 5 into 3. Now similar thing which we will do in constant term. We will neglect the constant term column and take x and y column and multiply them. According to that we will get x, y and 1, soluble, solvable, reducible form, and then we will equate each other one by one and find the value of x, y and z. Now question number 12: find for what value of k will the following pair of equation given below have infinite solution. Now for infinite solution, we know that the condition is a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. We will find the ratio. We will put the values of a1 b1 b2 a2 b2 and a3 a1 b1 a1 a2 b1 b2 and c1 c2 in these ratios and find the value of k. As simple as that. In this process we will get the quadratic equation of k. You have to solve that quadratic equation either by splitting the middle term or by formula. It's in your wish, and the simple way is given in the question itself, answer itself. Now in question number 13 we have the pair of linear equation. We have to solve it by substitution method. I have explained this type of pattern of explanation earlier, so go through that also. Now we'll move to question number 15 14 15. Yeah, we'll go to question number 14 and 15. Now solve these two equations are given. Find the value of n for which y is equals to mx plus 3. Now what we will do, we have two equations given here. solve these two equations either by cross multiplication, either by substitution method, either by elimination method. Find out the values of x and y and put the that values of x and y in your this equation. Y is equals to mx plus 3. In this equation you will put the value of y which you have found from these two equation, and value of x which you have also found from these two equation. That will directly give you the value of m. Here two equations are given. We have solved this two equation by elimination method. From this solution we will get the value of x as minus 2, y as minus y as 5. Put this value of x is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to 5 in y is equal to mx plus 3. You will get the value of m. Now question number 15. This is also word problem. This is also word problem, so read it carefully and form expression carefully. Word problems are important. It will come in exam, and it is important question. So the question number 15 goes like this. The larger of two supplementary angles exceeds the smaller by 18 degree, find them. So we have two supplementary angles. Supplementary angles are those which are which have a total addition of 180 degree. So one equation is x plus y, x degree plus y degree is equal to 180 degree, and second equation is that one angle is more, one angle is 18 more than the other angle. So the other equation is x is equals to y plus 18. We have got two equations, two variables. We have to either apply substitution or elimination or cross multiplication, solve accordingly. Thank you. This is your chapter 3.